Hello viewers, 4DIYers here, back with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing these H11 LED replacement bulbs from AUTOONE. A link to these will be included in the video description. For the test I'll be using a 2011 Honda Pilot as an example. These will be getting installed in the fog lights. This is a direct plug and play setup, so no modifications are required for your vehicle. A stock halogen H11 bulb has about 1350 lumens. Typically, LED replacement bulbs have their lumen rating as a pair, so that means one LED bulb would be 6000 lumens, a substantial increase over the factory 1350 lumens. They have an operating voltage of 9 to 30 volts with a IP67 rating. The IP rating means that the bulbs are fully protected from any dust and are waterproof, which makes them great for day-to-day use or off-road use. They also have an operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius or -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside the box, everything is neatly packed and we have the basic generic instructions. These are a fanless design, so they use a high-grade heat sink for cooling instead. Some bulbs have a fan that can be loud. These completely eliminate that problem. We can see the profile is very similar to the stock halogen bulb. We have a thick gasket to ensure it's sealed inside the light housing, and as mentioned earlier, this is a plug and play setup, so it fits with your factory electrical connector without any issues. Starting with the passenger side, remove the bezel from around the fog light. Use a nylon trim tool. There are 2 notches where you can slip in the tool and then unclip the trim from the bottom. Finally, pull out the trim completely. Using a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm socket with an extension and ratchet, remove the 2 bolts holding in the fog light bracket. These will sit further back in. There are 2 Phillips screws, and these are for adjusting the beam directly on your fog lights, so don't move those. The fog light assembly clips into the opposite side. Pull out from the fastener side first. Once out, press down the tang on the electrical connector and pull that straight off. Then remove the bulb, turn it counterclockwise and pull straight out. Here's a quick test between the halogen and LED. As you can see, the halogen takes longer to start up to achieve its full brightness, while the LED starts up instantly. The brightness does appear to be fairly close at the moment, but we'll do another test once everything is back together. The halogen also has a very yellowish color light, which I find doesn't always light up the road as nicely than compared to the whiter rating from the LED. Line up the tabs on the light, insert, and then turn clockwise to lock it into place. Plug in the electrical connector. Now put the light back into place, lock that tab in on the outside first, then tighten the fasteners. Make sure you check that it's working correctly if you haven't already. Snap that plastic bezel back into place. Now for a comparison at night. The LEDs don't look much brighter during the day than compared to the factory halogen bulbs, but they do show a huge improvement at night. With these being fog lights, they greatly increase the visibility in front of your vehicle, so you're able to see what's going on the road. This will help avoid any potential hazards, increasing your safety. The LED bulbs are rated at 50,000 hours, so you're guaranteed to have a long life with these, much longer than compared to the halogen bulbs. These also don't experience any light output deterioration over its lifespan. Now for a road test. Depending on your fog light beam pattern, this will affect how the ground is lit up. I find these do a great job of lighting up the shoulders, highlighting any animals which may potentially run out. These LEDs have a built-in intelligent IC driver, so they won't cause any radio interference. They are CAN bus ready, meaning they won't throw any error codes on your vehicle and you won't experience any flickering. They feature double-sided LED CSP chips, are compatible with 98% of the vehicles, and have a 6000K color rating. Aesthetically, they help modernize the look of your vehicle by removing the yellowish color from the halogen bulbs. LEDs have a quicker startup time, consume less voltage, and run cooler so your light assembly won't deteriorate as quickly. Overall, I am extremely happy with the upgrade, and my girlfriend especially likes these as it improves her night driving experience. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.